Spaghetti for you for school. You eat spaghetti? Yes. Come and do your assignment now, okay? Come and call up this minute. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Aye. Open your book.
Today
To the ant. Put your book to the ant. I want to buy you chip. No, to the ant. This one. This is the one you are going to be doing. This is the assignment. You're going to be doing this one. Take. Use two colors. You color one red and you color one grey. Color it. Don't worry, this is the one she did in school. This is the one she did at home. We were supposed to do this yesterday, but we went out. So she woke up. Thank God she woke up early. So she used to wake up early anyway. Oh yeah, color. We don't have time. Color inside. Now why are you coloring outside? Oh yeah, color. Color. Watch what you are doing. Mona, watch your book now. I'll off it. Should I off it? Eh? Oh yeah, color your book. Color inside. Oh my God. Munachi. Color the ant. I'll off it. Oh yeah, color the ant. Yeah. Oh your color. I need to buy you another crayon set. These ones are too short. Hold it where? Color. Mimi, color it now. Keep it back inside. Also, so. Is gone, that your love is gone.
So I'm going to school.
Yes.
Mama wants to pick me. Yes.
You say I will not pick you. Your school bus will pick you from school now. You enter school bus.
No, you pick me.
Hey, Mama don't have fun to pick you from school. That is why Mama has to pay for school bus. So that school bus will pick you and drop you and pick you and drop you. Don't you like your school bus? You don't like your school bus? Why?
Because this was black. That is in the car.
There's dinosaur in the car.
It's the copper dinosaur.
Huh. Okay, I will check if there's dinosaur in the car. In the school bus.
Yes. Where's the copper dinosaur?
The school bus has dinosaurs.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Don't worry, Mama will check if the school bus. There's dinosaurs in the school bus. Oh, take the dinosaur. Dinosaur! Don't come close to my baby.
Yes.
Don't touch that thing.
It's mine.
I'm sorry, don't leave me. Don't put oil in your body, me na chisel.
My body is for my head. Ow.
Sorry.
My head.
Sorry. See if I say sorry.
Now give me.
No. Leave it now, eh? Remove your hand from just sit up. Which is not even in the center. One side is bigger than one side.
Yeah, it's bigger as size.
Stay one place. Yes, you're a princess, but princesses stay one place, let them make their hair. But you that is claiming to be a princess, you will not stay one place, let me make your hair. Show me your face. Turn your back. Turn your back. Turn again. Turn. Mimi, turn. Turn for me. Turn for me. Turn for me. Mm.